seasoned up already. Yeah.
What did you put in it?
Like black pepper, a little salt. That's basically it. Just black pepper and salt. And this is like some carrot I'm gonna put in it to have carrot.
Vegetable.
Yeah. Or country pepper. I already have some honey and over here cut up. The fish. Alright, well hot. Yeah. Alright, this is all the seasoning right here. It takes like roughly 5 to 6 minutes each side, so total maybe about 10 minutes frying the fish complete. Yeah. So when this set fry now, just take them out and put it aside. I have two tongues, one for the fried fish and one for the raw fish. Yeah, so this need like another 5 minutes, yeah, to complete. You're not gonna fry them real dry because basically we are brown stewing these fish. So we're just gonna maybe like, about 75% fry. Yeah. Right now I'm doing up the brown stew sauce first. Yeah. As I said earlier, this is all the seasoning. I did my carrots, my garlic, my thyme, my bell pepper, and my hot pepper.
So that's basically watering some ketchup.
Alright, so now I'm gonna dip a little bit of all-purpose in the sauce and a little bit of black pepper. Yeah, so that's basically it, and closer to finish I'm gonna put like a stick of butter in it. Yeah, so this basically right now is just all my seasoning with my all-purpose. I put a little all-purpose, a little black pepper. I'm gonna tip a little vinegar in it now. But it's fish, so I tip a little vinegar in it. So I'm gonna give this maybe like a 10 minutes to cook down a little, and then I'm gonna transfer the fish over to it and cook down that for another 10 minutes. just need like another 5 more minutes to finish up. I'm gonna turn it down a little. Yeah. Yeah, turn it down a little for it, just so you know, finish cook up.
So total cooking time, what, 20 minutes,
Yes,
25
like 20,
minutes?
25 minutes. I mean, if you are doing less fish, it's less time, you know. But with this portion I'm doing now, that's like 20, 25 minutes. So this just basically needs like another 5 minutes, and it's ready to serve. Yeah, just like another 5 minutes now, and it's good to go. All right. Yeah, just like another 5 minutes now, and it's good to go. All right.
Chef Denval from Tasties, big up.
Yeah, my brother. So,
Fish them pretty.
that's a brown stew fish. You know, most times when you buy fish, you gotta do a little bit of scaling and do a little prep up on it. And you know, then you do that. You wash it with your vinegar. Some people use vinegar, some people use lime. Basically the same thing. So you know, after you wash it now, then you season it up with your little black pepper, and some people put all-purpose, some people just put salt, whichever way you choose to. You know, and then you fry it. Frying process take like maybe like 10 minutes. 5 minutes one side, 5 minutes the other side, and then like another 10 minutes to cook down. You know, and that's basically it. You make sure you put in your onion, your garlic, your pimento, your bell pepper, and stuff like that, and you just, you know, you fry it down, and that's basically it. The brown stew fish. Right now we got bungo rice and peas, steamed cabbage, plantain, and a slice of tomato, and it's ready to go. Good to go.